Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the source. Make the drive file shareable so Alight Motion can access it. Copy the link because you will paste it into a downloader or browser. This avoids permission errors later. Also, check the file format. Alight Motion accepts common media types like MP4, PNG, WAV, and set your project aspect ratio first so imported media fits. Once done, you'll move straight into retrieving the raw file from Drive. That step prevents wasted imports and permission prompts. Now you fetch the actual file from Google Drive so Alight Motion can use it. If the link opens in a browser, choose Download. If it prompts for permissions, grant them briefly to get the file. Save it to a known folder so Alight Motion's import dialog finds it fast. Then, open your project, tap the Import or plus button, choose Device Storage, and select that saved file. This direct import avoids cloud sync delays and preserves original quality, which matters for color and timing. Finish by placing the asset into your timeline, then scale and align it with fit or fill so edges aren't cropped. Adjust duration and keyframes as needed for motion or opacity changes. If you see playback glitches, convert the source to MP4 for video or WAV for audio. Converters fix codecs that Alight Motion can't handle. And if import fails, recheck drive sharing, re-download the file, or clear Alight Motion's cache and restart the app. That single troubleshoot step clears most stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.